Road tar can be one of the trickiest things to remove from your car's paint. Tar can easily splatter and stick to your vehicle, leaving behind unsightly stains. Here are a few ways to remove road tar from your car's paint. White vinegar is a common household item that can help remove road tar from your car's paint. Its acidity helps break down the sticky residue without causing damage to the surface. Start by mixing equal parts of white vinegar and liquid soap in a spray bottle. Spray this mixture generously on the areas covered with road tar. Let it sit for a minute to soften the tar. Gently rub the area with your fingers to break down the sticky residue. Then, use a microfiber cloth to scrub the surface in circular motions, applying gentle pressure until all the road tar is removed. Once done, rinse the area with clean water to remove any leftover solution. Liquid soap is a gentle and effective solution for cleaning your car's paint. To remove road tar from your car's paint, mix equal parts of liquid soap and rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle. Next, spray the solution generously onto the areas of your car covered with road tar. Let the solution sit for a few minutes to break down the tar. Afterward, take a paper towel and gently rub the affected areas to lift the tar off the paint. Be sure to use a light touch to avoid scratching the paint. This method will help you remove the tar without damaging your car's surface. Tar remover spray is a specialized cleaning solution designed to effectively remove sticky tar and grime from your car's surface. Chemical Guys Tar Remover product is a must-have for truckers, couriers, and fleet vehicle owners. It effectively removes tough stains like bugs, tar, grime, tree sap, and bird droppings. The pre-wash action helps save time and energy by loosening stuck-on debris, while also preventing long-term paint damage. It's an essential tool to keep your vehicle looking clean and well-maintained. With the right method and tools, you can safely remove road tar and restore your car's finish to its original shine.